Here we are today, YouTube. This is part one for Verizon, another Verizon iPhone, in which this is the iPhone 7 Plus, in which in our part 1, 2, and 3 video of the first one, we made a Verizon iPhone 7 IMEI repair, in which this is part 1, in which this device has been reported for the insurance claim, in which we have the same IMEI. We're going to go over here to our Page Plus login system. I'm going to validate. Okay, we are going to go to validate MEID, and then we're gonna go ahead and click on we're gonna check the same IMEI. I'll show you that it's definitely, see, Page Plus validation. Page Plus validation. It definitely allows us to verify. As you can see, it says fraud frozen for Page Plus, means it cannot be activated on Page Plus or Verizon right there. Which this is part 1, iPhone 7 Plus, black, 128GB, in which we go back up to the swapper, in which the same iPhone 7 Plus. This is part 1. Tune in to part 2, where we're going to work on the service, and then we'll come back and we'll revalidate and recheck everything. Thank you for watching. Tune in and subscribe.